This is the software we used, iMovie, and what we can do with it is we can take different color light waves out of the video, and so we were able to do that and make the video look the way it does.
For this next portion, we made pan flutes, and what we did was we took PVC pipes and cut them at different lengths, and then put clay onto the bottom of the end of them to make them a closed pipe.
The different lengths of pipe create specific pitches when they are blown into. Since one side of the pipe is covered, the wavelength will increase, thus creating a higher pitch. The slinky represents a compressional wave, which is a wave in which the particles travel parallel to the direction of the wave.
A closed pipe can only make a fourth wavelength, while a string can only make half a wavelength.
So we used an animation of frequency increasing to see it better. Here we used a reverse of a tape measure falling, and we used podcast notes for the formulas.
Physics works this way. A puppet.
For a puppet or object to block the light to create an umbra or shadow, we used Michael's Barbie dolls that he had sitting around his house. Then right here we have a shadow with a shadow.
The umbra is the part of the shadow where no light exists. The penumbra of the shadow is the part where some light goes around the object, but not all of it, thus making a blurry shadow.
The closer it is, the sharper.
We use the gizmo to observe the effect of shadows because it's easier to use the gizmo.
Physics works this way. Vibrating air creates standing waves.
To create the shadows, we set up a computer to the television, and we put a white sheet over the television and put dolls behind the sheet. From there, we put blankets around the camera to create a black atmosphere. Then we videotaped the colors producing shadows through and onto the screen, which was the sheet.
The last concept we wanted to talk about was refraction. We tried recording ourselves with the laser beam in a glass of water, but the lens of the camera was not picking it up, so the gizmos were the best way to represent the concept of refraction. Here's an example of compressional waves from our attempt at singing. After we sang, we inserted the sounds from the pipes as well.